As part of an international symposium on Junkaؤ industry development, 57 foreign participants from 13 countries and 2 international organizations conducted a field trip in the county of Shunchang, East China's Fujian province on Sunday and Monday. They visited companies, farms, and exhibition centers where they expressed confidence in the economic, social, and environmental benefits of Junkaؤ technology. Junkaؤ, which literally means mushroom and grass, can be used to grow edible mushrooms, feed livestock, or stop desertification as a green barrier.
Junkaؤ is very, very important in animal feeds. As we have seen there, the goats are eating. There's a lot of protein, and goats can get protein from Junkaؤ. If you can reduce the cost of feeding, then you can maximize the profit from livestock keeping. So this is very, very important, and in our country we want a system like this.
I consider that Junkaؤ technology is very important for economic development and also development of humankind. It is very important in alleviating poverty, not only in China but also in African countries. Junkaؤ technology is very important in addressing sustainable agriculture.
Discovered by Chinese scientists, Junkaؤ has been introduced to over 100 countries, creating hundreds of thousands of job opportunities and helping to alleviate poverty.